Hey, isn't it time for trading time? Who wants to trade me for this gumdrop and the sploot splat?
I'll give you my simple dimple.
She accepted! She accepted! She accepted! Curse you, Rubik's Cube! Hiya!
Patient detected instead. Rate this video.
Okay, so where's strawberry?
Noodles, come in. Even on an ice cube, that doesn't mean I have to be stressful. I miss Dr. Pepper.
Vote for your favourite traded character. Do you like butter, strawberry stress, ball Rubik's, cube, jellyfish, Nido, noodles, Dr. Pepper, Nido, gummy bear, paw, Nido, nice, cube, ice cream, Nido, swirl, Nido, pink butter, sploot, splat, or a gumdrop? These characters will be important later.